we will learn about type 1 and type 2 superconductors. Okay. So we saw the relationship between a magnetic field and superconductivity, wherein we said when you apply a magnetic field at a magnetic field Hc, the superconductivity, the magnetic lines of force are immediately expelled and the magnetization is lost. This is one thing we saw. Now, let us see for type 1 and type 2 superconductors. Type 1, type 2. In type 1 superconductors, magnetization loss is sudden. Okay. So here, gradual loss of magnetization. So meaning you have H, you have M. So as H increases, suddenly magnetization is going to decrease. So in this case, you have H, you have M. So what happens? Slowly magnetization will decrease. So this is type 1 and type 2. Now based on this itself, you can tell the other properties. So Meissner effect is complete. Here Meissner effect is partial because the lines of force are immediately expelled here. The lines of force are gradually expelled here. So again, based on that, only one critical field, two critical field. So what do you mean by this? What is meant by this is, so at HC, suddenly this falls. Here, let us call this HC1, where it begins to fall. Let us call it HC2, where it completely falls. So, which means only one critical field. Here you have two critical fields. If you draw this graph, you can almost explain all the properties. So, here, no mixed state. Here, mixed state exists. So what do you mean by mixed state? Here lines of force, magnetic lines of force are immediately expelled. So no mixed state. Here lines of force are beginning to get expelled. So there is a mixed state. So and then you can probably say these are known as soft superconductors. These are known as hard superconductors. And you can then end with example lead, tin. Okay. And here mostly there are alloys. Okay. Mostly they are alloys, vanadium, gallium. Okay. So we can give end with examples. So if you can start with the graph, you can explain all the properties of type 1 and type 2 superconductors, right?